We've started off our backpacking adventure going from Australia to Bali. So we're sitting in Sanur right now where the boats pick you up. We're gonna go to Limbongan Island. We're just waiting for our boat. It comes at 1 o'clock, it's about 12 right now. So we just had some lunch while we're waiting, but we're staying there for 2 nights. And we're just gonna go exploring. We're gonna see a bit of that island, a bit of Nusa Penida. We're gonna try to rent some scooters to get around the island and see what there is to see.
Find my sunglasses. Okay, so today we're meant to go to Nusa Penida, but there's a ceremony on the island, so we're not going to be able to go there today. So we're just going to explore the islands today of Senegan and Limbongan and see what's out there.
So our local guide's been taking us around today on scooters. We're on Nusa Senegan right now, and he's taking us to this bar slash restaurant that's got a cliff jumping part. That's 25,000 per person. So let's try it out.
That was pretty cool. So we're on Senegan right now. That's Nusa Limbongan. You can see in the distance all the way over there, that's the yellow bridge.
Nusa Penida now. We've just got here on boat. We've hired a private driver to take us around. We're going to Broken Beach and Keely King Beach.
The roads are terrible. Way worse than Bali and Limbongan and Senegan combined.
It was very beautiful, but also very hot, tiring, and bumpy.
After spending the night in Ubud, it was time to head to Lemaki village. Satria, our host, picked us up, making several stops along the way before reaching his homestay.
About to do the Bali swing.
Turmeric tea good for stomach problem. Ginger tea good for your throat. Pandan, it's good for your hair.
The next day was Naipi in Bali, otherwise known as Silent Day. Normally you aren't allowed to go outside, but in this village you can, so Satria's friends came around to keep us company. We're at Sungkampul waterfall right now in Bali, and it looks pretty sick, but you got to get wet to get a good shot. And what we've been having to do is every time we set up the lens, you got to wipe it, take one photo, wipe it again, take another photo. So it's kind of hard work to get a good shot.
waterfalls, sitting in a tree house, enjoying the rice fields. So we're at Heaven's Gate right now, waiting in line to take a picture. You have to cover up, so they give you a scarf in the beginning, and then you have to wear a sarong. Bali was an amazing first stop on our backpacking adventure. It was so cool to get out of the touristy areas and experience the more adventurous side of Bali as well. It's sad to leave, but we have so many more amazing places to see. To see the pictures from our trip so far, check out our Instagrams, which are linked in the description below. And stay tuned for our next video.